Happy morning. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and well. Be at home, stay safe, stay home. Okay, children. So today our topic is about timeline. So what is this timeline? Why are we reading this? Let us see. See, here you could see the picture where it tells about BCE, BC, and AD and CE. What are these? So BCE means before Common Era. So I will explain you what is that. See, just for a reference point means imagine this is a main point. Okay. So where you could see the birth of Jesus Christ. So before birth of Jesus Christ is called as BCE and BC. Okay. So after the birth of Jesus Christ, we call it as AD and CE. Okay, children, this is just for your reference. Okay. So keep in mind birth of Jesus Christ. So before birth of Jesus Christ, we have BCE, BC, and after the birth of Jesus Christ, we have AD and CE. What is this abbreviation? Can we look into the lesson? BCE means before Common Era. So BC is before Common. Okay, that is before Christ. Okay, children, you keep this in mind. BCE. So remove the E alone, you have BC. And here you have AD. AD means Anno Domini. What do you mean by the word Anno Domini? In Latin, it is called as a year. Okay, like a year. How we have version solrong illaya, that one. Okay, children. So it is a new. Anno means new. Domini is year. So it is a new year. And CE is Common Era. Okay, children. And what is the main point is, from Jesus Christ, this one will be forward counting. What will happen, Kana? It is a forward counting. And from here, Jesus Christ, this BCE and BC will be having backward. That is counts backward. For example, suppose here you imagine this is 100 BC. Okay. So this is 100 BC. And here it will be 100 AD. So what happens here is, when you count, wait, let me put 200 also. So 200 BC. And here we have 200 AD. Okay. So what happens here is, here it will be counting in a forward manner. Okay, so we'll go first, will come 100, next will come 200. So it goes on in such a way. Okay, Kana? But here it is counting in a backward. First from this side it will come BC, that is 100 BC, and next we'll be having 200 BC, where 100 BC is older than this 200 BC. Okay, children. And in detail, we'll be doing some activity like look deep, look within activity inside the class. I hope so you have understood the topic. If any doubt, you can clarify me during the class. Okay. So thank you.